Welcome to Talk It Do It, the channel where we take tech to more than hello world. Today we're taking web development to the next level. Ever wondered how to quickly build a modern website using AI? In this video we'll look at an amazing new feature from Claude AI and its Model Context Protocol. We will create an example modern blockchain explorer site, automating everything from data gathering to deployment using a single prompt. We will also make use of Brave API to allow real-time search. Just create an account for the Brave API. You can read more about MCP. I will put all links in the description below. Okay, we're ready to set this up and test it out. Let's go do it. You need to download the Claude AI desktop app. I am using a Mac, but you can use this on Windows as well. Now let's open the Claude AI desktop app. And let's check if we can do any real-time search, which should not work right now. As we expected, no real-time search available just yet. Now let's go set up the MCP servers and their configurations. If you do not have a Brave API key or account, just sign up and it is free to do so. Links will be in the description. You can use the free subscription for this test, as it works just fine. Create your API key and then copy it, as we will use it when we set up the MCP server configurations. Let's now go and get the configurations we will be using for this testing. This is the Brave search server, and this is the GitHub server. Copy all of this JSON block. Now we need to edit the Claude configuration. You can open the file directly, or another way is to go to Settings and select the Developer section, and then choose Edit. Now let's open this configuration file. Just right-click the file and open in our favorite IDE. I have tested this earlier, so I have some of the configuration already here. If you have a blank file, just paste in the configuration block that we copied earlier, and now copy the Brave server block and add to our configuration file. Make sure to add a comma, as we are adding the Brave configuration here. Now we will add our Brave API key that we created earlier. And we need a GitHub key as well. You can create a key by going to Settings. Choose Developer Settings. Create a classic token for now. Give it a name. And you only need to choose the repo permissions. This should be enough. Now copy the key value, and let's add this to our configuration. The keys you see here have been deleted, so normally you would add these as proper secrets and not hard-coded as you see here. Now anytime you update the configuration for Claude, you need to restart the application. And now we should have our model context protocols available for us to use in Claude. We can see both GitHub and Brave servers. Let's rerun that real-time search check from earlier. And this time we should be able to use Brave for searching. Just accept and allow for this chat. Excellent. We get a response back showing the current weather. Looking good so far. Next, we want to create our custom prompt that we will paste into Claude. We want to use Brave to run some data gathering, then use this data to create a top 5 list, then to design a website for us, and then create a new repository, passing in specific details. Upload our website code, then create a new branch and a README file. And finally, submit a pull request so this can be merged to our main branch. Now we are ready to go and run this and see if it works. Paste in our prompt to the chat, and keep accepting the allow for this chat option when they pop up. We can now see that Claude is following our instructions and creating our website code, and it is looking pretty good already. One thing to note, I have experienced a number of errors. As this is still beta and maturing, I guess we can expect that. This is not for production use. And the errors show, but it still seems to work, so you may need to run a few times. This is now finished. Let's go and check the repository, the branch, and whether the pull request has been created. the branch was created. Good to see. And the pull request was also created. Excellent to see this potential. We can see the README file and the index file for the website, and we can merge this pull request. Remember that in a previous video, we created our own custom AI agents, and we could potentially use them to automate this pull request merge. I may do another video for that. If you would like to see this, add a comment and let me know. Just doing a final quick check of our repository and code that has been merged to the main branch. Before we end this video, let's open a local index file from an earlier run to show the website that Claude created. Looking good. That has been a great early test for Claude AI MCP servers. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please subscribe and like, and have a wonderful day. Thanks again for your time, and I hope to see you on the next video.